Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Warren County, northwestern Clinton County, southwestern Greene County, southeastern Montgomery County until 8:15 p.m. At 7:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bellbrook, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Kettering, Xenia, Bellbrook, Spring Valley, Centerville, Lytle, Middleton Corner, Mount Holly, and Roxana. You are listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area.